Hey guys, we are here at Spectacular Fireworks in New Milford, Pennsylvania. First walk in, got some Pyro King shells, Black Hat cans. Over here looks like novelties. Oh, it's assortment packs. Pyro pack, nitro bag, little bag for the kids looks like. There's another one. Black Cat Heritage assortment. More of them up there. Platinum. This is just assortments. And then over here we got some ball shells. Cram jammed. Cram jammed. Desperado. Wow, that looks interesting. Look at this. I don't know if these are like, I don't know, they're ball shell kits. This used to be the go-to thing before canister shells. Everybody wanted them like that. What we got here? 6-shot. Come over here. More assortments. That looks like a pretty cool assortment, but I don't know about $2.69. But and they got the Godfather. Everybody knows about this one. Massive price too. And they have their TVs going. You can scan the Black Hat. Love the red eyes. That is so sick. And then this is like a closeout section they got here. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Little novelty bag by Winda. $30. And I don't know about $30 for a little space flyers. But cool nonetheless. Got some cakes here. Looks like some single shots. Buy two, get third one free. Some more cakes. Single shots. Parachutes. More cakes. What do we got here? Aerial bomb. Aerial bomb. 9 preloaded mortars. Oh no, that's for these. And then these ones here. They look interesting. They're like preloaded. Huh. Might have to check those out. Junior Screaming Crackler. These are good. Wow, that's interesting. I like these rockets too. Regular bottle rockets. Well, Black Hats. I guess it's just more of those. Moon Travelers with report. Never seen those before. Then your regular Black Hat Whistlers. Skybolts. Some Roman candles. Black Hat firecrackers. Wish they had the lady fingers here. Oh, we got some of these here. That was so depressing last night.
Yeah, it was a. Man, I'm surprised with the way it went, but I'm also.
Alright, guys, we're back. Let's look at this here. Some fountains. Look at those. Some tanks, some fountains, more cans, cat eyes. Oh, that's interesting. Little spinners must be cat eyes. Those look pretty cool. I like the colors on those. Brown blooms. Black cat with no labels. Night plane. Color spaceship. These are cool. They used to be called ladybugs. These are cool here. Magic crystals. Dual exhaust. Sorry guys, I got talking with the guy about Penn State game last night, so I paused it. Kodo. The Patriot 6-inch cans. What in the world? Silver sparklers? I have no idea. Some sparklers, morning glories. Now we're back where we came in. Guess I'll go back here, show you some cakes here. Donut shells. Those look pretty cool. 45 bucks. At one time these were pretty cool. I like Brothers products. They really do a good job with their packaging and all. Some single items here. Some smokes. More cakes. Here we have some Saturn battery missiles. That all looks pretty cool. It's 3 monkeys. Oh, it's a cake. Highfalutin. The IPA 4-pack. Buy one, get one free. It's never buy one, get one free. We know that as Pyros. But a lot of Black Hat product. Whatever, Fox. I don't know if that's part of Black Hat. It says Fox. Seen a lot of that right here. Nishiki Willow. 25 zombies. Bling bling. That's Brothers. I don't know. That's a cool wrap though. I don't know that Fox brand. That's Brothers. Some Noabs. Now we're in the cake section. I'm almost done. We pretty much just got this aisle to go up yet, and then I'm done. Then I'm gonna get some things, a couple things I saw I'm gonna get. There's that Fox brand again. Like I said, I'm not too familiar with that Braystar. Alright guys, I pretty much completes the spectacular fireworks store tour. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys like watching this stuff.